everybody. My name is Justin with Tampa Bay Auto Network, and today we are doing a video review of this 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution MR with touring package. The purpose of our videos are transparency. We'd like to take a few moments to walk around the car and show you any minor blemishes that might not show up on the 100 high-definition photos that we have on our website. At the moment, our photographer is out of town, and the photos for this car will actually be uploaded in about a week and a half to 2 weeks if you'd like to come back and browse those at your leisure. In the meantime, if you are on the website, if you scroll up, you can find all of the features and packages that are on this car. You can find a shipping quote to have this car sent anywhere in the country. And if you'd really like to get your hands on this Lancer, you can find some financing options as well. If you go on our YouTube page, we do ask that you hit our subscribe button and set up your alerts so that anytime we bring a new car into the showroom, you'll know right away and you can watch the video on it and start looking into buying it. So when we're done doing the walk around, we'll do a quick little peek into the interior, and I will have a short clip at the end of the video of the engine running so you can hear the mechanical health of the car as well. Let's get to it.
The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution is a legendary Japanese sports car. Sporting 291 horsepower out of the factory, it rivaled the Subaru WRX STI as a rally car. This particular model is the MR, and the prior ownership has taken wonderful care of it. It does have a stage 1 tune on it, so it's actually a little punchier than a stock vehicle. The exterior of the car is in tremendous shape, period. As we walked around it, we were unable to find any real major blemishes. The front right wheel does have a small spot of rim rash on it, but other than that, the car is free of any major dents, scratches, dings. The front bumper lip has a clear coat, and the clear coat's actually started to peel off, and that's about all that we found on the car. As we come into the interior of the car, we note that the leather upholstery is in amazing condition as well. No rips, tears, or stains. The carpet has not been worn through or stained. As we turn up, we take a look at the headliner, which is in amazing condition as well. No rips, tears, or stains. The moonroof cover is in good order, opens and closes properly, as well as the moonroof itself. A look at the Recaro passenger seat there. The interior of this car is in fantastic shape. No cracks or broken components on the dashboard, and all stitching in the upholstery is in good order and not frayed or ripping. And we swing around the door here and take a look at the rear seats of the car, which are also clear of any impurities, rips, tears, stains, major wear, or anything of that nature. The owner of this car took tremendous care of it, and whoever picks this machine up next is going to have just a great, legendary Japanese sports car. We swing around the corner, and we'll just take a quick look at the trunk here, and we'll have the rubber floor mats for the car, and the cargo space is in good order with no rips, stains, or broken components as well.
That concludes our video review of this 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution MR with touring package. We appreciate your time, and thanks for taking a look at our video. We hope to see you here at our dealership at 4315 East Columbus Drive in Tampa, Florida, right between the Hard Rock Casino and Ybor City. Or you can visit us anytime at TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Have a great day, and on behalf of everybody here, thank you so much.